Hello, good day to you all. Welcome to Ima's Chef Recipe. In today's video we are going to make fried donuts. That is what we are going to make in today's video. Before we go into making our donuts, I would like to say
if today is the first time of coming to our channel, you're welcome to this channel, and if you're an old viewer, you're welcome back to this channel. All we do here is all about kitchen things, how to prepare some snacks or any kind of food.
if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please feel free to click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, there is a bell beside it. Click the bell beside it so that whenever we upload any new videos, you get to receive, you get to be notified about it. That is the essence of clicking the bell. And I want to use this opportunity to say thank you to you all who who subscribed to my channel. I'm still looking forward to your subscribes for those who are yet to subscribe to this channel. So I'm grateful. Thank you all. Let's get into the kitchen.
seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change but in a cycle that I can't lose. Each painful but delightful to live through. You came into my life just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for them, just a time, just like another season. The seasons turn and change just like your mind. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly crawls. With each new one starting, I recall. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season. You came into my life just like another season. Not for long, just a time, just like another season.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed what we did, how we prepared this. And here is our donuts, fried one with sugar on top.
All you need to digest this is maybe a bottle of Coke.
This is great. You need to try it. In fact, trust me on this one. You really need to try this. So I hope you enjoyed our video. Please, if you do enjoy, don't hesitate to click that red button that says subscribe. At the same time, like and share our videos, because when you subscribe, it motivates us to make more videos like this. So thank you for staying tuned. And before I forget, if there is any recipe you want us to try or to prepare, just let me know below the comment section, or you can as well email me at imaschefrecipes@gmail.com, or you visit our website. You can contact me from our website www.imasrecipes.com. So thank you for staying tuned, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.